Hey guys, what's going on? Well, here you have it. I made this channel so you guys can follow along with me on this new build. As you guys can see behind me, I have a 1974 Corolla. I do plan on doing a full restore. And well, I want to tag you guys along with me. So let's see what we can do. All right. As you guys saw, there's a lot to get done. And what I want to plan and have you guys tag along with me on this journey. It's the first time that I ever put any type of content on for anybody to see. So therefore, down below in the comment section, if there's anything that you can suggest for me or for the project, don't be afraid, let me know. And if you want to tag along and follow along on this build, subscribe. We'll see you guys soon. Take care, guys.